Oh shit.
Holy fuck! 911.
Somebody wasn't watching.
Why the fuck would you do that? You are... Really? Are you a fucking idiot? Yes, it's serious. I've got you on camera as well because you've just fucking... you brake checked. You brake checked. You brake checked. Got you on the camera. Got you on camera. Yeah, that's fine. You brake checked. Brake checking is illegal. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Dummy.
damn it!
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
And you say, do you care that we just named our ship after a gay man? You're going to say, no, I don't care at all. I don't care that this ship is named after a gay man.
Of course not.
I don't care that this trans admiral swore it in. I don't give a crap about any of that. They don't care.
No.
What they care about is having a strong military they signed up for so they can defend this country. That's what they believe in. That's what they care about. They care about having leaders in the military, generals and more, that actually care about them and that want to see America succeed. But you don't have people in the high ranks of the military who want to see America succeed. The people who are in the high ranks of the military right now, it seems like they want to see America fail. Because if they wanted to see America succeed, then they wouldn't be doing things like this. They wouldn't have Mark Milley and these other generals, these woke generals talking about all this garbage nonsense. They would actually be working to protect this country. They would be working to protect this country because look at what other countries around the world are doing. Look at China's military, especially with China's aging population. They are gearing up for something big within the next few years, in my opinion. And America is not prepared.
Just drive your car! Or what? Yeah, that'll end up real well for you. You're road raging, man. I'm just telling you to get out of the road.